What's up? This is Demalta. Tonight I'm talking about auto battery, and a lot of people bitch that this thing is noise activated and it's wind activated. I've proved in another video it's not noise activated at all, but wind it is. I mean, if you blow on it, the lights can light up. So how do you fix this? I just filled it up. It's kind of flooded, so what you do is get Scotch tape. I'm going to draw it out. I'm going to use scissors because I want a fresh cut. I'll do another fresh cut. Fresh line. I'll take my Addy off. This is a cheap fix and it works. I'm going to get the line where this is, and I try to keep fingerprints off of this. It's the main deal. And e-liquid is a plus to keep off of your battery. Wipe it off my shirt real quick. Just filled up the cart. But I'm going to stick it on the edge right there. Try to get it stuck a little bit. And then I'm going to pull this tape as tight as I can to get the air bubbles from forming underside the tape. Lines on this side. It's hard to see where it actually ends. Once I get it to where I want it to go, I'm going to take my scissors and clip the excess. Smear it down. And then take this, or razor would work better, and I'm going to clip it around where the threads are at. You don't want tape there. Dun, da, 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 da. So there you go. Can't see that I put tape on it at all. But does it vape the same? And it does. Put this Addy on, puff it like a cigar, get it going. But now you can still see a light. Doesn't go off like it was. But you know, Omega has the air holes on the corner, so it breathes through the outside threads. So you wonder, does this still work? I'll put the cone on there because they don't have air holes. I'll put a 510 on it. It's a drip tip. You shouldn't use drip tips on autos because you get liquid inside the battery which can fry it, I guess. Some people drip on them, but it draws the same serial too. But just to prove, I got my air conditioner back here. I'm going to turn it on. Watch out for the dot. It's right there. So there it is, folks. I tell you, soundproof. Your Tornado Ego automatic battery, and you still get to see the LED. So they really should do this at the factory. They shouldn't leave that hole open, in my opinion.